Hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to stop by real quick um, to say hey and make sure everybody's doing okay and let you know still working, still busy, still doing what I'm doing. I had to work on some of these bracelets right here because they sold out on Faire.com. So I've sold out on them. I sold the last two today. So right after those two sold, it went into out of stock. So I said, no, I don't think I'm gonna have this out of stock because these are selling like really well on there, in addition to the earrings in the bottle. So I said, what I'm gonna have to do is after I make these bracelets, I'm going to probably gather up some supplies and go in my actual bedroom and find some little movie to watch, some little program or something. And I might even keep watching. I've been watching well, actually, let me backtrack. Last week I did a 3-day fast. So the 3-day fast, while I was on the 3-day fast, I did a study which was about 216 pages, and it was a study of King Solomon's advice for the world. So I studied that during my little my fasting period in September the 28th, a couple of days ago. Actually, yesterday I started the 3-day fast, and I'm doing a study of the book of Acts. Well, not the book of Acts, the Acts. Yeah, the book of Acts. And that one is about 200 and maybe 22 pages. But then what I was doing too, though, is I was watching some videos, just like Bible study videos on the book of Acts. So I might even, kind of continue that tonight after I make these bracelets when I go into my room and take some supplies in there with me to work on the earrings in the bottle, because the earrings in the bottle have been doing very well on there as well. So I said, okay, what I don't want to do is not have the items in stock because they're selling so well, right? And then another thing is what I selected for time frame for shipping. I selected between items would take between 1 and 7 days to ship. And I only did that to buy myself time. But I always ship the next day. So orders, like let's say orders came in this morning, they're going out tomorrow. So I just do that with that 7 day just in case something is not in stock. I can quickly, make it up if it's easy enough to make up. But if it's like one item and it's kind of complicated to make, I don't do that. It's just sold out. That's all there is. There ain't no more, right? But that's what the plan is. So once I finish, making these bracelets and stuff, and these bracelets that I'm working on now, these are new ones. I've never had these on there, so these are new, and I'm going to be adding these on to there probably tonight. I'll take the pictures after I make them all, take the pictures, upload them, and do all that. And then I'm going to sell them in cases of 3. And then I was thinking if I wanted to put charms on them. I don't think I'm going to put charm. Well, I kind of like that whole charm thing. So I'm going to try it with the charms just to see what it looks like. And, everything don't need a charm, but I'm going to try, see what they look like. And if they don't look like what I think they're going to look like, then chances are, they won't have charms on them. But anyway, that's all it is. There ain't no more. I was just checking in, uh, hoping everybody is doing well, hoping everybody is staying safe. Y'all. But anyway, that's all I wanted to show you guys. That I'm working on bracelets. So I'm gonna restock these bracelets tonight. And the good thing is I don't even have to take new pictures with these because they've already been there. They just sold out, and I'm restocking. So these right here are absolutely new. First time making these. And you know what I might, because I got 1, 2, 3. I might just use all these beads to make these type of bracelets and then maybe order some more of these. No, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm going to use these to make some black beads. I'm going to put black beads on them too, and some other kind of stuff. And I still have, I haven't used a lot of these. So I still have a lot of these beads left too. So I'm going to use these for something probably later. But the goal is to get at least maybe 50 of the earrings in the bottle made tonight after I finish with these bracelets and get these all made up. And then the pictures taken and stuff just for these new ones. So these I don't have to do anything to but package them up and get those ready. And then I was gonna make earrings in the bottle. And then I'll work on some stuff in the morning. So when the morning comes, if the Lord allows me to wake up in tomorrow morning. But anyway, y'all be good. Take care of each other. Stay safe. And we'll talk soon.